Hi, you guys. Welcome to Sean Hurd of Sean Hurd Making the House to a Home. Today, I'm going to revamp, spruce up, put some juice, whatever you want to call it, on a rabbit that I found at TJ Maxx last year after season. It was on clearance because you can see right here. It's broken. Let's see. And so I was like, you know what? And it was sold as is. It was on clearance. So like, yeah, I'm like, I still want it because, you know, at the end of the year I was looking for a green one, but I couldn't find it nowhere. But I just happened to go on TJ Maxx and it was like, I think it was about 3 months after Easter, so it was still sitting there. So today, that's what we're gonna do. And I said I'll bring you guys along with me while we change them up. So put on my glasses so I can see you like you see me. And we're gonna jump into this. Okay. The things I'm gonna use is, of course, handy dandy glue gun. I have bling wrap from Totally Dazzle. They're not sponsoring this. I already pre-cut about the amount that I'm gonna need. I have a brooch. Oh, Jesus. Let me see if I can get it focused. I'm gonna use from Totally Dazzle. I have many brooches, but which I'm gonna use to cover that up, but I think that's the little one that I'm gonna use. And I got me some rhinestones because I'm going to do the eyes. So let's jump into this. This is, I'm going to cut this off because this right here, I hope I can get it off. It's not my style. You know, I'm a bling girl. I'm a bling girl, so we're gonna take this wrap off here. Oh wow, I didn't know it was gonna be this hard. What is it?
These. The clip lights go all the way, because you know they're 15 feet long and the other ones are only 5 feet long, so it stops, I don't know how to explain it to you. It goes all the way, but it doesn't like go all the way. It's like a 3 inches without it. And really, all I have to do is go buy some clips, because that's all the clip lights were. They had clips on them. That's legit all, like, they come with clips that are already.
Okay, then you all in my video. You want to tell my YouTubers, hey?
Hey.
She explained to me about some lights that we finna redo her bedroom with.
But anyways, look, they
She
already have clips.
While we right here, might as well.
They already have clips. These are clips that come off of them.
She want these in her room, so this is the part. And
I could just buy clips and put them on the vehicle.
Okay. So, yeah, let's go meet my baby. Back to this. I'll talk to you later. Love you. Okay, I already cut it. I'm measuring this the length that I want it. I think I need to have it a little thinner? Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and measure it. Yes, you guys, like, girl, get yourself together. Okay. on here, you know, of course, I have the 1, 2, 3, 4 with. I'm gonna cut one of them off so to make the thickness. I want a little thinner. So I'm gonna cut this off so that one off. So I want a little thinner. Think you guys think, should I? Oh, that's too much. What did I do with my brooch? I think I will. See what you guys think. If I need to put something on there now. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Bring it back some more. So, need to hide that. It is, yeah. There we go. Okay, and on top of this, let's see if I can see it. Let me try. I'm gonna take and put Mrs. Brooch on here. I think I should put Mrs. Brooch right here. Let me see. Hold that for a little while. Let it here. That's so. She fancy, huh? She fancy, huh? Yeah. Got all the little glue strings wrapping around. She fancy, huh? No. I'm trying to think I need to put one on the other hand. That'll be too much. We don't want to do too much. Okay. Let me see. Let's see how I can see, because it kind of like blurry. Focus. Okay. Alright, we'll get through with that. And I think I'm going to add some rhinestones, like I say, to the eyes. And we're just going to see if we want beady eyes. Little beady eyes. I think I do want little beady eyes. Or do I want big eyes? Which I think. Rather usually have like little beady eyes. So, go downstairs. Let me see. If it don't look right, yeah, it ain't like we can't take it off and put them back on. So let me see. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. Turn around so you guys see what I'm doing. What you think? Or you think the eyes need to be a little bigger than that? Let's see. I don't know. I think let's go around here to this side. Don't take too much on her. Yeah, I got glue everywhere. Let's see. Okay, guys, I decided that I found this brooch. Can you see it? Let's see if I can get it. Yes. Yeah. And I'm gonna put it on the neck right there. We're gonna jazz it up a little bit more. I think it'll look a little better. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Right there. Hold a little while. Hold a little while. And ta-da! We got us a real fancy Easter bunny. Yes, yes, yes. Hi, girl. How you doing?